Hey YouTube, Ross Causey, Garden Square Landscaping here. I want to talk for a moment about screed rails. Here you can see some of our screed rails. We have this on an ongoing project here in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. And what these are simply 1-inch outside diameter pipe. And if Martin would come up here a little bit closer, you'll be able to see that these are not bent, these are iron pipe, they're not PVC. Don't get caught up in that trap, guys. Use iron pipe that's going to hold up well. These screed rails form a function that we are to screed off, not with our hands, 1 inch of this bedding sand. This sand, you can sort of see it up close here, is ASTM C144 bedding sand. It has a gradation that allows large particles and small particles. That's important. These screed rails are here so that we can, with our screeding tool, screed this sand out. I'll show that to you in another video. But this is a good example of a screed rail. It has no bends in it. It's not it's not compromised in any way. It's good and straight. And when we set that down on our compacted base, it'll give us exactly 1 inch of bedding sand. So that's about it for right now, folks. I wanted to explain the purpose of this, and this is our ongoing project here. We're going to be wrapping this up over the next couple days. So thanks for watching. Ross Causey out for now. Subscribe below.